Okay, boys and girls, we're going to look at Home Links 3.5. All right. We're going to explain counting up subtraction to someone at home. Okay, we did counting up today in class, so hopefully you can explain this. And then you're going to use it to solve problems 1 and 2. Show what you did on an open number line or with number sentences. Compare your answers to your estimate to check whether they make sense. Okay, on this first one, their example. Okay, our equation is 468 minus 274. We estimated 468 at 500 and 274 at 300. So 500 minus 300 is 200. So when we use the number line and we count up, we always start with the second number, 274, and I want to get to 468. So what they did was they went from 274 to 275, and that was my plus 1. And then 275 to 300, I had to add 25. And then from 300 to 400 was plus 100. And from 400 to 460 was plus 60. And then 460 to 468 is plus 8. And then all I have to do is add all of these together. 1 plus 25 plus 100 plus 60 plus 8 to come up with 194, which tells me then I have a good estimate. Okay, so let's start out with 531 minus 329. So if we take 500 minus 300, it gives me 200. Okay, and then if we put this on a number line, and we start out with 329, and I want to get to 531, because we're counting up. Okay, all right, so 529, if I go plus 1, that takes me to 330. Okay, and I can do a plus 100 here because I know that's going to take me to 430. And then plus another 100 would take me to 530. And then just plus 1. So if I take and I add all of these up, my answer comes to 202, which was a good estimate at 200. Okay, 331, we have 300 minus 200, if we estimate that, which gives us 100. And now let's put this on an open number line. And we're going to start at 209, and I want to count up to 331. Okay, so 209 to 210 is plus 1. 210, and I can go to 310, which is plus 100, and 310 to 330. Now, boys and girls, remember, you can use whatever jumps you feel comfortable with. Gives me plus 20 and then a plus 1. So if I add all of those up, 100 plus 20 plus 1 plus 1 gives me 122. And as always, if you don't understand something, make sure that you ask your teacher. Okay, this concludes Home Links 3.5.